Good morning, children. All of you take out your general science reader. Today we begin with a new lesson, enrichment zone, solar system, moon and star. Take out your general science reader and come to page number 118. Now warm up activity. Look at the pictures given below. Write any two differences between them. Yes. Now you look at the picture and what the difference is, we'll see. In the daytime, we see the sun in the sky, and during night, we see the moon and the stars. In the previous classes, you have learnt about the sun, the moon, and the stars. Let us learn more about these. Yes, so what is the difference? Now here we see the moon and the stars. Yes, we see the sun in the sky, and during night we see the moon and the stars. So here we are going to learn about a solar system, the name of the planet, phases of the moon, and the constellation. Now the solar system, the sun and his family of 8 planets together form the solar system. What forms the solar system? The sun and his family of 8 planets. Now, these are the planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The, these all together, what they form? They form the solar system. Now, do you know an astronomer is a person who studies heavenly bodies like the sun, moon, and the star? The person who studies about heavenly bodies, sun, moon, and star, is called an astronomer. Remember this. The sun. The sun is a huge ball of hot gases. It is actually a star. Now, what is a sun? It is a huge ball of hot gases and it is actually a star. There are many stars in space, but the sun is the closest star to the earth. Now, which one? The sun. It is the closest star to the earth. Remember this also. The sun, it is the closest star to the earth. That is why it looks big. So now you know why it looks big, because it is closest star to the earth. That is why it looks big. Planets. The 8 planets of the solar system are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Planets move round the sun in a fixed path called orbit. How do the planets move? The planets move round the sun in a fixed path. In a fixed path. And what is it called? Orbit. Jupiter is the largest planet. Mercury is the smallest planet. Venus is the brightest planet in the solar system. Now you will remember all this. It can come for true and false, fill in the blanks, yes or no, right or wrong, anything. Okay. Now come to the next page, 119. Mars is also known as the red planet due to its reddish appearance. What color is Mars? Red color. Why? Because of its reddish appearance, the way it looks. Saturn is also known for the beautiful rings around it. Now, Saturn, what it is known for? Its beautiful rings around it. Remember this and learn all this. See, this is Saturn. Here the names are given. Hmm? Now, this is the solar system. Now, Earth. Earth is the third planet of the solar system. It is the planet we live in. Here, see, this is the third planet and we live in it. It is the planet we live on. Life. Earth is the only planet known to have life on it. It has land, air, and water. Now, Earth is only the planet and we live on it, and it is the only planet where there is life. It has got land, air, and water, which are essential for life, which is very necessary for our life. We cannot live without all this. Earth obtains heat and light from the sun. Now, from where does the Earth get heat and light? From the sun. The sun is the source of all energy on the earth. Now, what is sun? Sun is the main source of energy on the earth. We get energy from the sun. So sun is the source of all energy on the earth. Remember this and learn this. Now shape. Earth is round in shape. What is the shape of the earth? Round. It appears flat to us because we see only a small part of it. Now earth is flat. Yes. Why it appears flat to us? Why? Because we see only a small part of it. Earth is round in shape. What is Earth? Earth is round in shape. It appears flat to us. Why does it appear flat to us? Because we see only a small part of it. Okay, that is why it appears flat. People who have traveled in space have taken pictures of Earth, which clearly shows that its shape is round. Now people have traveled in the space and they have taken the picture of the earth. And what does it show clearly? It shows that its shape is round. Earth is round in shape. And people have traveled in the space. That is why they have given this, which clearly shows that its shape is round. Movements. Earth shows two types of movements. It spins like a top on an imaginary line called axis. Now, this is the rotation of the earth that passes through the center of the earth. The spinning movement is called rotation. Now, what is the spinning movement called? Rotation of the earth. It takes about 24 hours to complete one spin or one rotation. Now, it will take 24 hours to complete one spin or one rotation. The rotation of the earth causes day and night. When this spins round, what happens? We get day and night. When it is this side, it will be day. When it is that side, it will be night. So the rotation of the earth causes day and night. When this spins, what happens? Of the earth causes day and night. Earth also goes round the sun. Earth also goes round the sun in an imaginary path that is its orbit. Learn this. Earth also goes round the sun in an imaginary path that is its orbit. This movement is called revolution. Here, see, this is the revolution of the earth. Earth takes 365 days and 6 hours to complete one revolution. The revolution of the earth causes change in the season. Now, this takes 365 days and 6 hours to complete one revolution. The revolution of the earth causes changes in the season. That is why we have summer, winter, autumn, and spring. Okay, children, I want you to read this lesson well and learn 1 points, 2 point for your true and false. So, okay, enough for now and read it well. Okay, children, have a good day.